If you are a doctor, earning well, but still not building wealth, then this is the most important video you will watch. Because saving money alone will never make you rich. Most doctors study for years, start earning late, and depend only on salary. But here is the reality. A high income does not guarantee wealth. Only a system does. Let us understand with a simple example. You save 50,000 rupees per month. After 10 years, you have 60 lakh. Sounds good, right? But here's the problem. Inflation in India is around 6 to 7%, which means the real value of your money keeps decreasing. So your 60 lakh may feel like only 30 to 35 lakh in today's value. That is why saving is not enough. You must invest to beat inflation. Now let us understand what investing actually means. Investing means putting your money into assets that grow over time. Instead of keeping money idle, you make it work for you. There are three basic types. Equity, which gives higher returns but has some risk. Debt, which is stable but gives lower returns. And hybrid, which is a mix of both. As a doctor, with a long career ahead, equity becomes your biggest advantage. Now let us talk about the common mistakes doctors make. Mistake number 1, only saving in bank or fixed deposits. Mistake number 2, starting late. Mistake number 3, fear of market risk. And mistake number 4, no clear plan. Most doctors think, I will start investing when I earn more. But this is wrong. Time is more important than amount. Now let us build a simple system. Step 1. Create an emergency fund. Keep at least 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Step 2. Take proper protection. That means term insurance and health insurance. Step 3. Start investing through SIP in mutual funds. For beginners, choose simple index funds. Invest every month and stay consistent. Even 5,000 rupees per month is enough to begin. Here is your simple formula. Income, then invest 20 to 30%. Then let it grow through SIP over the long term. Do not complicate investing. Consistency beats intelligence. If you are a doctor watching this, your biggest advantage is time. Start early, stay consistent, and think long term. In the next video, I will show you exactly how to start your first SIP step by step. Make sure you subscribe because your financial freedom depends on what you do today.